Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can create a character in Janitor AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.janitorai.com. So once you do this, you will end up in the official page of Janitor AI, where you need to first log in into your account and press on the create a character option. Once you press on it, you need to now name your character, and after you do so, you can give a short introduction about your character as well. So after typing it in, you can select the gender of your character as well. So it's all on you if you want to disclose it or not. And once you do this, you need to now talk about the personality of the character you are building. So after you do so, you need to now write the initial message, what the character should say or respond to. So after all this is done, all you need to do is scroll down below to search any of the remaining things, or you can simply go up and upload a picture of your character as well. So once the picture is uploaded, all you need to do is simply tap on the open button and scroll down and press on the create character option. So once you do this, this will allow your character to be developed in the Janitor AI app, and your character will be created successfully. So this is how you create a character in Janitor AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.